Hello students, this is 8.22 exercise. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Here there is no operation between sin 60 and cos 30. Don't think that the two terms are separated, but here there is a multiplication is going on. So whenever the multiplication is there, we need not to write. For the plus, it separates the two terms, minus, and division can be written, but for the multiplication we just write like that, sin 60 cos 30. So we have to find the value of this statement or expression. Now sin 60 degrees, from the table, root 3 by 2 times cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. If you miswrite these ratios, definitely you will get a wrong answer. So while you are recalling, you should be confident and you have to remember the table well. Okay, here plus second term, sin 30 cos 60. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Now they are the two fractions and multiplication is going on in between them. Therefore numerator to numerator multiply and denominator multiplies the denominator. Root 3 whole square by denominator square. Therefore root 3 whole square is equal to 3. 2 square is equal to 4 plus root 3 here, 1 times 1, that is 1, 2 times 2, that is 4, 1 by 4. So after adding these two fractions, you will get a 1. So the value of this expression is 1. Let us see the second one. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Therefore 2 is a very constant given, so write down 2 as it is. Tan square 45 degrees, so tan 45 first we have to write, that is 1. The square will apply for this base 1. So square will not applicable for angle, only for the ratio it is applicable. Therefore tan square 45 is equal to 1 square, tan 45 and square. Okay, next plus cos square 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Here also square is there, so therefore we can apply the square for the whole ratio. And here also sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square, and minus is there in between them. So if you see root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square, therefore they can cancel. So only 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, let us see the third bit. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 degrees. Okay, now just apply cos 45 1 by root 2, secant 30 2 by root 3 plus 2. Now up to here we can finish the applying the ratios of trigonometry and the angles from the table will be finished. But from here, the part below is shown is completely about the fractions. So we must have a complete grip over the fractions. Okay, so denominator contains root 3. So first of all we add these two. Therefore with the LCM 2, and here this 2 is not having anything, the denominator, therefore you multiply and divide. Therefore 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. The numerator is 1 by root 2. Now, so multiplication, when it is come to the numerator part, it will be a reciprocal of a denominator, that is 1 by root 2 times 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3 can be written as root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now here we can multiply 1 into root 3 by root 3 root 2 of 2 plus 2 root 3. So once you open it, the root 2 is multiplying and distribution will happen, and you will get 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If you observe carefully, the denominators contains, here I took 2 common, the denominators contains root values. So root does not exist in denominator, therefore we have to rationalize the denominator. So this is the way the rationalization. 2 root 2 plus root 6 can be written as root 2 minus root 6. We have to take in opposite sign for both numerator and denominator. Root 2 minus root 6, root 2 minus root 6. Now numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Just you write down like this, multiply. So this root 3 into root 2, root 3 into root 6, and here 2 is there, and here a plus b form and a minus b form. Why we have to take opposite sign? Because to get into the algebraic expression, algebraic form, like a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Whenever we will get a square, the root will cancel. So root 6 minus root 18 by 2 root 2 whole square minus root 6 whole square. Therefore the roots will cancel here, and here root 18 can be written as root 9 times root 2, and here roots will cancel. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4, that is minus 8. Here the minus will go to the numerator part, and root 9 can be written as 3. Therefore root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 8. The minus will come here. Therefore the minus of plus minus, minus 6, minus of minus, plus 3 root 2. 3 root 2 minus root 6 whole by 8. So this is the way. Here it look like complicated, but be careful. Root should be eradicated from the denominator. For that, rationalize. Look at this part. If it is plus, you have to choose minus on both the numerator and denominator, so that we will get a square. Whenever we will get a square, root will cancel, so that we will get a plain number without any root. So this is the answer. Of course this is answer, but according to the mathematics, we should not keep root values at the denominator. We have to change into this one. While you are changing this process, somebody may do any kind of mistake, so be careful on applying square. And here 3 root 6 is root 18, but from the root 18 again I have derived root 9 times root 2. 9 2s are 18. So root 9 has root, that is perfect square root, that is 3. So recalling all the concepts and do it carefully. That's all. Thank you.